Welcome to this overview of the concepts of a profession, a professional, and professionalism. Imagine a classic architectural structure, much like a temple, where elements rely on each other to remain strong. This structure illustrates the building blocks of medical professionalism. Let us explore the foundation, the pillars, and the roof of this structure, and then dive into the specific definitions. First, let us examine the foundation of our model. A strong foundation is essential, and in medicine, it consists of three distinct levels. The absolute bedrock is clinical competence, representing a deep knowledge of medicine. Resting right on top of this are communication skills. A practitioner must successfully and effectively communicate with patients and colleagues. The third and highest step of the foundation is ethical and legal understanding. Practitioners must navigate complex moral landscapes and adhere to governing laws. Together, these three elements form the solid base necessary for professional practice. Rising from this foundation are four critical pillars representing core values. The first pillar is excellence, signifying a commitment to continuous improvement and high quality care. The second is humanism, emphasizing empathy, compassion, and respect for patient dignity. The third is accountability, meaning taking responsibility for actions and decisions to both the patient and society. The fourth pillar is altruism, the dedication to putting patient needs above personal self interest. When these four pillars stand strong upon the foundation of knowledge, communication, and ethics, they support the overarching roof which represents professionalism. Now let us break down the specific definitions based on this framework. What exactly is a profession? A profession is defined as an occupation that regulates itself through systematic required training and collegial discipline. A profession requires a strong base in highly technical and specialized knowledge. Furthermore, it inherently has a service orientation rather than a profit orientation. This collective dedication to serving society is formally enshrined in a strict code of ethics that all members of the occupation must follow. If that describes a profession, what does it mean to be a professional within that field? A professional is defined as a practitioner who actively embodies those values in their everyday work. In medicine, a professional is someone who consistently demonstrates clinical excellence. It is a practitioner who treats patients with genuine humanism and respect. A professional also clearly understands and adheres to their ethical and legal duties, ensuring that patient safety and rights are continually protected. Finally, how do we define professionalism itself? Professionalism is defined as a set of values, behaviors, and relationships that underpins the trust the public has in doctors. Trust is the ultimate goal and the most vital component of the medical field. How even quality? 1. The core values we hold, the daily behaviors we exhibit, and the professional relationships we build all funnel directly into establishing and maintaining this public trust. By demonstrating excellence, humanism, accountability, and altruism on a solid foundation of competence, practitioners display true professionalism and secure that vital, unbreakable bond of trust with the public.